Sawubona, sawubona mngani. Welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Igama lami uMama Thando. Ubani igama lakho? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Lo igama lakhe uKhomba. Mngani, let's sing the Sawubona song and greet all our friends around the world. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Yebo, sawubona mngani, unjani? Oh, nah, we must sing the imizwa yethu song first, so that we can answer that question. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila, yena unjani. Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe uneme. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani. Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani. Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. Now I can ask you that question again. Unjani? Very good, mngani. Mina ngiyaphila. Oh, mngani, we learned so much this week. It was a really lesson-packed week. Woo! Yeah, mngani. Do you know what the good thing is, though? Is that it's not going to be our last time learning those things. We will repeat them again and again and again so that we can always know them and speak them. Now, mngani, let's review what we've learned this week and have fun while doing so. So I'm going to move out of the way so you can see the days of the week. Here they are. Yeah? Now I would like us to remember them, recall them by singing the days of the week in isiZulu. Now remember, you can clap your hands, snap your fingers, chikiza, stamp your feet as we sing this song. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. One more time. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. That was great. That was great, mngani. Oh, mngani. Now you have remembered the days of the week in isiZulu. Now I will show you the days of the week again. Here they are. Pay very good attention to them and tell me, are they in their right order? ha. No in isiZulu is cha. We can also say hi, hi. Don't make it hi, but hi. Now, they're not in their correct order. Can you put them in their right order, Mgan? Don't worry, you can pause the video if you need to. Now, Mgan, have you put them in their correct order? Let's see what she said. Isonto. What in the world? Yes, the next one is supposed to be but not umgqibelo. It's supposed to be sombuluko. Okay, so isonto, sombuluko. ULwesine? No. ULwesibili after that. Yebo mngani, you're right. ULwesibili, uLwesithathu. We're glad that it's in its right place. Okay. ULwesine. How siyabonga Lwesine for going to your correct place because you are in the wrong place over there. And uLwesibili. No, it's supposed to be uLwesihlanu. Yeah, thank you for moving. Thank you. Umgqibelo. Now that is in the correct order, Mngani. That was really, really good. Spotting those words that are not in their correct place. Wonderful, Mngani. Hamban. You're misbehaving and going to the wrong places, food. Hey. Now, Mngani, we also learned how to use the words mina, wena in isiZulu. What is mina again? Yebo mngani, me, myself. And wena, you, yourself. Very good mngani. And we were using these when we were greeting each other. Let's listen to those greetings again.
Sawubona. Yebo sawubona. Unjani? Ngiyaphila wena unjani? Nami ngiyaphila.
That was really good, Mngani. Practice these greetings with family and at school so that you get used to greeting in isiZulu. And then when you go out somewhere and meet AmaZulu, then you can greet them as well in their language. Like me, greet me in my language. Trust me, it will make me so happy to hear. Now, Mgan, we saw Andile a couple of times this week when he was getting ready to go and play outside or go over to his friend's house. He was wearing nice outfit, really cute outfits. So let's see what Andile was wearing this week. Now let's describe what Andile is wearing in this picture. We will say Andile is wearing a yellow t-shirt. And then we will also say Andile is wearing black trousers. Remember, though the word trousers is ibhulukwe, most of the time you'll hear people say ibhulukwe. Now, pause the video and write down the sentences saying what Andile is wearing. Now, Mngani, what did you say for the t-shirt? That's it. Very good, Mngani. U-Andile ugqoke isikipha esiphuzi. Very good. And what did you say for the pants, the trousers? Ehe, very, very good, mngani. Yebo. U-Andile ugqoke ibhlukwe elimnyama. Very, very good, mngani. Oh, siyabonga, Andile. Now, mngani, we were also talking about the number of the week. The number of the week is 8. Isishiyagalombili. From the beginning of the week, we were breaking it down a little bit so that we can say each section. And we spoke about what each part of. At the beginning of the week, we broke down the number of the week, isishiyagalombili, so that we can say it more easily. We said, isishiyagalombili. And then we told what each of those parts mean. Isi is just the prefix for this noun, 8. Shia is to leave. So to leave something behind, to leave something alone, shia. Galo is a limb. Mbili is the number 2. And so isishiyagalombili is really saying it's the number that we make when we put 2 fingers down. 2 fingers down, whichever way you want to put those 2 fingers down. So, mngani, that is isishiyagalombili. And then towards the end of the week, we stopped just pausing and pausing and pausing between each part of the word. Instead, we said the whole word. Now, let's say the whole word. Repeat after me. Isishiyagalombili. Very good, Mngani. Great job. We also, Mngani, learned the sound of the week. I'm going to come closer to the screen so I can make this sound and you can see my lips clearly. B. The sound made by the letters B and H together. B. It sounds like the sound B in English for boy, book, broke. B. 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 Now, Mngani, let's say it with all the 5 vowel sounds. Onkamisa. Ba. Be. Bi. Bo. Bu. Remember, don't pull the U sound and make the sound boo. It is not boo. It is boo. Now, I would like you to say these words that we learned this week. Some of them were new, some of them we already knew them already. They all have the sound BH. One of them also has the sound B on its own, which is B. Now remember when you get to that one to make sure that you say each sound correctly. The P and the B. Now let's start. Repeat after me. A ball, ibola. Balls, amabola. A balloon, ibhalunde. Balloons, amabhalunde. A magazine, ibhuku. Other people also say this word when they say a book. But I would like you to not do that, Mngani. I would like you to call a book incwadi and a magazine ibhuku. Now say that word after me. Ibhuku. Magazines, amabhuku. Very good, Mngani. A boot, ibhuzu. Ibhuzu. Boots, amabhuzu. Very good. To pierce, so to make a hole, but not digging a hole, not tearing. To pierce. Boboza, boboza. A belt, ibhande, ibhande. Belts, amabhande. A rhino, ubhejane. Rhinos, obhejane. To bake, baka. To write, bala. To brush your teeth, uba. To swim, bhukuda. Very good, Mngani. Now, I would like us to use those words in making sentences. We will be describing the nouns using the number of the week and the color of the week. Now, let's start. This is going to be a bit funny because I'm just thinking of a blue rhino. Okay, let's start. We'll start with the rhino, ubhejane. Ubhejane oluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka. A blue rhino. Very good. Now 8 blue rhinos. Obhejane abaluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka. Great job, Mngani. Now 8 blue rhinos. Obhejane abaluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka abayisishiyagalombili. Have you ever seen a blue rhino? No. First time here too. Okay, now a boot, ibhuzu. Let's say 8 boots. Amabhuzu ayisishiyagalombili. Now let's say 8 blue boots. Amabhuzu aluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka ayisishiyagalombili. Very good, Mngani. It's making me laugh. It's so okay. Now I want to say I am baking 8 blue cakes. Now, Mngani, I want to say I am baking 8 blue cakes. Okay. Let's go. Ngibhaka amakhekhe aluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka ayisishiyagalombili. That was great, Mngani. You did so well. We also learned the shape a rectangle in isiZulu is unqande, unqande. We had previously learned that a triangle is unqantathu. So it has 3 sides amacala amathathu, unxantathu. But a rectangle has amacala amane, 4 sides, unxande. Yebo mngani, very good. And the plural of unxande is onxande. I think let's sit down right now and make ourselves a nxande robot, a rectangular robot with the shapes that we have learned here in Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom. We have learned a heart, inhliziyo. We have learned a triangle, unxantathu, and now we've learned a rectangle, unxande. Okay, mngani, now let's make that nxande robot. Now, we'll start with the brown paper. Sika onxande abansundu abazacile abane. Cut 4 slim brown rectangles. Izingalo nemilenze. Those are arms and legs. Beka eceleni, put it on the side. Sika unxande omude, omkhulu, oluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka. Cut a big, long, blue rectangle. Lo umzimba. This is the body. Beka eceleni uma usuqedile. Put it on the side when you're finished. Now, sika unxande omkhulu, onsundu, kodwa omfishane kunalo oluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka. So cut a big brown rectangle, but shorter than the blue one. Leli ikhanda. This is the head. Manje sika inhliziyo ebomvu eyodwa. Cut 1 red heart now. Thatha iglue ufake ngaphansi kwamaphepha amabili ansundu. So take your glue and put it under 2 of those. Namathisela ezansi ephepheni lakho. So glue it towards the bottom of your page. Manje thatha unxande oluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka ufake iglue. Namathisela unxande phezu kwamaphepha ansundu, kodwa ungawambozi. So stick on your blue rectangle on top of these brown strips, but don't cover them up. Manje mngani, thatha onxande abansundu ababili. Faka iglue. Unamathisele ecaleni lasesandleni sokudla. Phinde uthathe iglue, uyinamathisele kwelinye iphepha elinsundu. Ulinamathisele esandleni sokunxele. And then take your other brown paper rectangle, glue it, and stick it on the left side of the body. Now it's coming together. Yahlangana irobot lethu. Thatha unxande omkhulu onsundu, ufake iglue, unamathisele phezulu komzimba. So take that big brown rectangle and stick it at the top of the body. Manje thatha inhliziyo yakho ebomvu, ufake iglue, uyinamathisele esifubeni sanqande oluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka. So take your glue, glue it on the red hat and stick it on just at the top really of your blue rectangle, the one that is the body. Okokugcina, thatha amehlo uwanamathisele ekhanda le-robot. So the last part, take the eyes and glue them on the head. Oh mngani, lihle robot lethu. It's so cute. I love it. Ngiyalithanda. Oh mngani, this is so cool. We did so well. Mngani, I'm so proud of you. You did well in following all the instructions in isiZulu. Oh mngani, you did so well this week with your learning isiZulu. Before you go, ngicela sicule the movement song. May we please sing the movement song.
Sukuma, shaya izandla, shona phansi, phezulu, eceleni, jikeleza, jikeleza, eceleni, gijima, zilule, shaya izandla, thumba kabili, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, shaya izandla, zilule, jikeleza, jikeleza, shaya izandla, eceleni, jikiza, jikiza, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, shaya izandla, thumba kabili, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, eceleni, zilule, zilule, phefumula, phefumula, hlala phansi.
Oh mngani, ngiyabonga. That was amazing. We really did learn a whole lot this week. And I am so proud of you. You did so well. Don't forget to download all the worksheets for this week from the website zululessons.com/isiZulu-classroom. Sala kahle mngani.